This is the yoga capital of the world.
Today I'm at one of the most famous bridges in India, in Rishikesh, which is a suspension bridge that stretches across the flowing river Ganges, which flow from the Himalaya mountains. This holy place, millions of people cross the bridge every year
In search of hope, healing and spirituality.
and I'm going to go on that journey as well. It's across the bridge for pedestrians only and touch the water for that special moment. Let's go. So I'm going to walk across, feel the power of the Ganges beneath me, and then get some healing on the other side. Okay, here it is, this way.
Normally I'll be more interested in the actual bridge itself, but it quickly becomes clear everybody seems to be headed to the other side, and I want to find out what is drawing them there.
It's made of steel, suspension bridge, so these things, and then there's cables that hold up to the towers on either end. Oh, I can feel it move, but that's just the architecture doing its thing. Oh God, there's cows on the bridge here. Oh my God, what the hell? This is not just a bridge for pedestrians, for cows as well. Oh my God, oh, that's quite nice. People are leaving stuff behind, because when they go to the river on the other side, they're leaving all their sins and getting healed and everything.
I've been calling it the River Ganges, but the original name, what everyone calls it locally, is River Ganga. For Hindus, Ganga is more than just a river. It's one of the holiest places on earth.
Seriously, people come here for help. They might be lost someone, they need grief, or they just need life help, you know. There's another guy here. How the hell did they get on here? I don't know. Don't step on the tail. Feel like letting go of something already. Hello. It's quite narrow, but plenty of room for people, cows, cow shit. So that's where I'll be going, I think. It's cleansing time, almost. Cleansing from this. Are these just wild, or do people own them? I don't know. Pretty incredible. That's the quiet side. I'll go on the busy side. Bit of craziness for you, I guess. Get into the water, cleanse my soul, cleanse my sins, and cleanse my ass.
Before I head down to the River Ganga, I'm curious to see what life is like on this side of the river.
Very interesting around here. Like the type of people, the weird food and incenses, the drinks. How are you? Pretty crazy. And the clothes as well. I wouldn't mind getting some linen shirt or something.
After spending the next few days trying to find linen, to my surprise it was all cotton.
Harikrishna, 100 rupees.
Harikrishna?
100 rupees.
Okay. So I got these things.
Buying these prayer beads made me curious. So the next day I ended up here to complement the spiritual experience of the River Ganga.
So just about going to this Harikrishna temple now and see what's going on. Let's go.
Let your mind calm down in every situation.
Ah, shit, my arm. Red flag.
Red flower.
Flower? Oh, it's from the flower? Nice. It's going inside now. I thought it was real. I thought there's a real person.
If you chant Krishna, he's a higher being.
High being?
Higher being.
In a spiritual place. I ate already, so I won't be having any of that.
But the main reason I came to Rishikesh was still waiting for me. It's finally time to head down to the river Ganga.
I should have brought my swimming shorts. Aha, this is more like it now. Look at that. Wonder how deep it is. I hope it's not that deep. I think there's some stones or something. I have to take the microphone off. Cleanse time. Cleanse me.
For millions of Hindus, bathing here is believed to have the act of purification and spiritual renewal.
So I was expecting it to be full of weirdos like me, but it's not really. I feel like they've got rid of something. Not sure what it is yet, but definitely yes.